Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix RTC connecting on Discord. When trying to use voice chat on Discord, this should be quite an easy tutorial. First of all, make sure that the Discord server are operational. This can be done by visiting the discordstatus.com website. Here, make sure that when expanding the voice category, the general location of your Discord server is operational. In case any of these servers are not operational or in maintenance, then this could mean that it will take a few hours for the error to be resolved. In case you are unable to wait, then you can make use of a VPN service or simply use another server in another location of the time being. In case all of these servers are operational, then the issue might be on your end. Make sure that you are using a reliable network connection. Before making any tweaks on your operating system, I suggest resetting your Discord session. To do so, simply exit out of the application by using your task manager. Search for task manager in your start menu. Search to open it up. In that process tab, locate the Discord process and make sure to end them for running. When this is done, navigate to discord.com on your favorite browser and select open Discord in your browser. Your Discord session should then restart to be used in your browser and you should then try to join the voice channel again. In case this fixed your issue, that it should be resolved on the application as well. If you still get the RTC connecting error, then make sure to disable your VPN service and in your Discord app, navigate to your settings. Here under voice and video and under quality of service, disable the quality of service high packet priority option, as this could otherwise bottleneck slow connections. It's not suggested to enable this option, or at least try to disable it for some time to see if it improves your overall network connection while using Discord. As a last resort, we will flush your DNS server address using your command prompt. In your start menu, enter CMD and hit enter. On this window, use the command ipconfig/flushdns. This will flush and reset content of your DNS resolver and should help fix the RTC connecting error for Discord. By doing all these things, you will be able to fix RTC connecting error on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.